Okay, so here's my 8566A. Poor thing. Spent a lot of money on this thing, and we got no joy out of it yet. So first, let me go ahead and plug it up. Okay, we're plugged up. Looking at the display section. Standby light. Good. Looking at the RF section upside down. Standby light good. Let's flip the power switch. Well, before I do, let me explain. Before, when I very first got this, and I had said this time and time again, I had instrument check 2 light staying on. You couldn't do anything with any of the keys. Alright? The keys pop. There's nothing wrong with them. You can take the face off, and there's key roll, key columns on the back, and you can go from one to the other, look for shorts. 0 to 0, 1 to 1, all the way up 7 to 7, and then you can do it crossways. 7 to 1, 6 to 1, 5 to 1. Anyway, I did all that, and there's no shorts. So I went around to the display section. I was told to mess with that. Sorry, it's dark in here. The keys work. Okay, so I took that off, looked at it, seen that there was no broken switches, broken keys, obviously, because they're all working. And I did test a couple of them for continuity when you press it, and it was fine. So I put it back on and turned it on. Same old stuff, no keys working. Shut it off, went home, come back to work, and next day, and come out here on my break, turn it on, and it's pecking. It's like a lawnmower knocking a rod or something. It's a loud pecking coming from down in here, just behind the end connector. Second converter on the bottom. It's his first converter. Down in there, I don't know what that is, but it's a relay, I guess, down in there somewhere. Okay, so finally I got that to stop. I took the face off again, put it back on, pulled out the cards, reseated them. I don't know. So here we go. Now it's just flashing. I can do this sometimes, and it will stick. Like that time it sticks. Now both lights are on. And the noise is like making a double peck over here. Okay, here we go. Gonna turn it on. Off. On. And it's making a normal sound. See, now this time the lights are off. So I can press the 2 to 22 gigahertz key. You heard 3 pecks because I pressed it 3 times. Enabled, nothing. Now over here on the display, got all the lights. There's fuses there. I know down in there, I accidentally popped one time, and the display was acting like this. So I checked it this morning, but that's not it. Nothing on the CRT. Clear right key, blank key. So yeah, it's not sweeping now. It was before. It was just stuck sweeping, and there was something on the CRT, but now it's not. Cables are tight. So yeah, that's the state of it right now. And all I did was take the face off of the IF section, reseat the cards. I wanted to look at the P1 junction down here, which you can't see because it's completely dark, and see it all the way over to the A15 card, but That's all I did, and now it's doing this. So, but like I said before, I come in and turned it on. It's making that loud pecking noise. So something may be screwed down in there, blocking this whole thing up. And it just tried to show itself yesterday. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Let me know, please. This is Grady. Take care.